Okay, so let's take a look at how delta function works in Google Sheets. So what we'll do is we will add a few values. So say 4, 5, then 6, then 7, right? Then we will here add again 5, 7, then 6, then 9, right? So notice only one of the cell matching with another value, right? So here, say when you want to check the equal cells, what you can do is you can basically run this formula equals to then delta, and then we can pass on a3 b3, right? So a3 and b3, and if by any chance they are equal, we will be getting true false type of values, right? And that will be in binary here, as you can see, 0, that means false, again 0, and only one condition true, so 1, right? Notice the change here. So if we mess around with say 5 here, and notice it will immediately reflect because we added the autofill. So if I keep on filling that on both these, the formula will reflect the output on this particular point as well, right? So you get the idea how the delta function works.